So I'm Max Mitchell. I'm going to give you a speech about the Masters and Augusta National. So Augusta National is in Augusta, Georgia. It is in the southeast sector of Georgia. Augusta National was founded in 1932 by Bobby Jones and Clifford Roberts. They had this image for a golf course, so they went out and designed it. And starting in 1934, they founded the Augusta National Invitational Tournament, which later became known as the Masters in 1939. So some fun facts about Augusta National is every hole out there is named after a different kind of flower. For example, you have azalea, tea olive, and then all the bridges at Augusta National have a name for. On 13, there's the Hogan Bridge, and then there's also the Saracen Bridge on the back nine as well. Every member at Augusta National is given a green jacket, and that green jacket is also bestowed to the winner every year. So last year, Patrick Reed got the green jacket. And then, so Jack Nicklaus has won the Masters record 6 different times, last one coming in 1976. Tiger Woods was the youngest winner. He won when he was 21 years old. And then Jack Nicklaus is also the oldest winner. He won it when he was in his upper 40s. I think he was 46 years old. So some other Masters history is it's held the same golf course every year. It's held at Augusta National. It's been held there every year since its inaugural year. And then it is the first major year. It's always in April, same time every year. And the major it's the smallest field in major championship golf. So there's 90 players in it. But if you win it, you get a lifetime membership. And it's a very cool deal. So Augusta National is just prestigious. It's full of history, and players look forward to going there every year. And it's a classic civilian golf. They don't fun facts about Augusta is they don't allow technology on the golf course. They're one of the few golf courses that still go by this rule. They don't allow cell phones, compasses. They don't allow levels, like if you want to test out for the greens, they don't allow you to check the slope on the greens. They're one of the last holdouts on what they consider true golf. Also, Augusta National is one of the last clubs in America to go to allow women to be members there. I think they inducted their first woman as a member in 2013, and that was Condoleezza Rice, the former Secretary of State. So most clubs in America have gone to where they allow women, but Augusta was one of the last holdouts, and I think there's only 1 or 2 other courses in America that still don't allow women. So Augusta is kind of a place that got lost in time, and they still hold true to their roots. The green jackets have been a thing since the 30s, and the Masters tournament itself is just full of history, and Augusta National is the whole of that history. And they gone so far as to when spectators come to watch the Masters, they will take up your phone and they will hold your phone until you leave the round because they don't want any picture getting out of Augusta National. They think that what you see should stay in your head and it should just be a memory that you get instead of a picture. So Augusta National is just one of those rare places that you don't see very often anymore, and it's just a really cool deal. And that's all you need to know about the Masters. How long is that?